Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into your Bluehost dashboard and confirming the account with the domain you intend to replace. Make a quick backup now, files and database, because changing domains alters links and site paths. Once done, verify the new domain is registered or available in Bluehost domains. Make sure you have billing and DNS access, since you will update name servers and possibly transfer ownership. This first step prevents downtime and ensures you can move forward without surprises. Next, assign the new domain as the primary domain in Bluehost. Go to Account, Domains, then Assign Domain and follow prompts. After you assign it, update your site URL inside WordPress settings or the CMS configuration to reflect the new domain. This fixes internal links and assets. If that fails, update the database via phpMyAdmin to change site URL and home entries. Also make sure the domain's DNS points to Bluehost name servers. Otherwise, visitors. To finish, test the site thoroughly on the new domain. Click Pages, log in, and clear all caches so you see current content. Then enable or reissue the SSL certificate in Bluehost and force HTTPS so browsers trust the site. If images or links still point to the old domain, run a search and replace on the database to update URLs and rebuild caches. If problems persist, check DNS propagation and error logs. Often waiting an hour fixes propagation-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.